Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Cash App subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that, we will be needing to first open the mobile app. So basically here you will find your home screen to be showing as follows. And basically now all you need to do is just to go to your activity tab so you can find all your transactions and subscriptions. And basically, the activity tab is located here in the bottom menu, and it is this clock icon. So you click on it, and basically it will show you all your activities. And these activities, you will find all your subscriptions, transactions, etc. Now, to cancel our subscription, we will be needing just to select the transaction in question. And basically you will need just to click on it, and then it will show you or it will redirect you to another view to be as follow. So from here you will find the details of the subscription or transactions. You can see the time of it, and basically this is the description or the note, the amount, and basically those are the account's details. Those are the username or the name, and you will see the profile picture, etc. Now all we need to do after to cancel your transaction, you will need just to go to the 3 point icon. So by clicking here, you will have this menu that will be prompt or that will be popping up. And all you need to do is just click on cancel the request or cancel or refund this transaction, or just select refund or cancel. And basically by that, you will be able to cancel this subscription. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.